In this video, I'll show you how to align layers inside Canva's video editor. Super useful when you want everything to look polished and properly arranged. Let's jump in. Start by opening your video project and placing a few elements on the canvas. This could be text, images, or even video overlays. Now, click on any one of the elements. As you move it around, you'll notice pink smart guides automatically appear. These guides help you snap the element into the center or line it up with other objects. Great for quick visual alignment. If you want even more control, click on the element and head up to the top toolbar. Then select position. From here, you can choose to align it top, middle, bottom, left, center, or right with just one click. If you're working with multiple layers, you can select them all by holding Shift and clicking each one. Then click Tidy Up to space them out evenly and align them as a group. And that's it. You've now mastered aligning layers in Canva's video editor. It's a simple step that makes your designs look way more professional. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva video editing tips.